Now this illustration deals with raceways and equipment to drain. This is in accordance with NEC 230.53. Now for example, let's review the panel board that shows the overcurrent device. It's a service panel. And then notice the drain hole. It should be a drain hole there in the enclosure or in a L or somewhere that would drain any kind of rainwater or something that got into the equipment, or condensation due to heat and coolness and that kind of thing. We don't want any kind of collection of water or vapor inside the panel board. So this figure 6-30 illustrates a drain hole in an enclosure or in an L so that condensation, water, leakage, or liquid have a means to drain away from the electrical conductors and electrical components making up the service panel.